Hey there, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever noticed that your web browser sometimes feels a bit sluggish, especially when handling graphic-intensive tasks or playing high-definition videos? Well, fear not. Hardware acceleration is here to save the day. By harnessing the power of your computer's hardware, you can turbocharge your browsing experience and enjoy smoother, faster performance. We'll be showing you how to enable this fantastic feature in Microsoft Edge. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's how to enable hardware acceleration in Microsoft Edge settings. Open Microsoft Edge, click on the Setting and More three dots button. Click on Settings, click on System and Performance in the left pane. Under System, turn on the hardware acceleration switch. Restart Microsoft Edge for the setting change to take effect. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tech content.